Hey, do you hear that?
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, that sounds like Creed.
I never thought I'd be happy to hear anything that sounds like Creed.
Lights. Oh, thank you, God. Civilization.
Look at that. We have a fire. You think they're cooking food?
I hope so. I'm starving.
Oh.
Damn it, Elwood, this place is dull.
Ain't my fault. Popped off that fish head.
I told you not to use my buck knife.
Now you like me now, fish. You ain't so tough without a head, huh? Oh, what's that? You can't hear me? That's right, because you don't have ears, because you don't have a head, because I cut it off!
Elwood, the fish can't...
Okay, that's a little weird, right? We should get out of here. Listen, I said we just try to talk.
Shut it. What the hell was that?
Oh, is that a gun?
It's a gun.
Must have been a possum. Bo Evil.
Guns! Fish heads! It's okay, Daryl. Relax. We'll just lay low and we'll get out of here in a second.
Hey, these guys are pot farmers.
What? How do you know that? Oh, boy. We should go.
Leonard! Skinner, come here!
How'd you go spoil them dogs?
Lots of vitamins in these fish heads.
Look at that. Skinner likes fish heads almost as much as you do.
Do you think they saw us? No, I don't.
Oh, wow.
Oh. What are you doing? What? I'll write you a prescription. Let's go.
Come on. All right.
On my go. Ready? Whoa,
Hey, guys, listen, we don't want any trouble. We just got lost on the river, you know? Hey, can we use your phone?
Oh, of course.
And who cares, you know?
Let's go through that.
Where? There's no door! Hey!
Come on, Dino.
Good work, buddy.
Thanks. Let's go. Come on, Dino.
Come on!
Go, go, go! This way. What did you do? Flares. What are the flares?
Great mother of ganja.
Come on! I see him! I got him! Come boys, come back!
We ain't gonna hurt you, boys.
Just want to talk to you. There they are, right there! Damn it, you head to the left, I'll cut them off.
Go, go, go! They're shooting! I think I got him, Dennis! They're shooting at us! Run! Come on, Dennis! I'm gonna get him! Just keep going!
Damn it, can't see nothing through this smoke. We're dead!
We're dead! They're gonna make us into food!
You set the security flares too close, Elwood. The whole damn field's on fire.
Where the hell are the damn dogs? Ah!
You guys got a promised me that you'll never tell my patients that I got stoned, because if they find out that I got stoned, then they'll think that I'm a stoner. And next thing you know, that I won't have a license anymore, and they'll take away all my instruments and my coat and my office, and then I won't have a parking space anymore. I just don't want to lose all my stuff. I lost my legs.
Oh, great. We got us a couple of weed freaks.
What the hell are they looking at?
Get up, you stoner dogs!
You gotta move your leg. Move your leg.
I think I see him.
They got laser scopes. They had you pinned.
Dudes, seriously.
I will give you 4 calls for Denise's hand in marriage.
Give him something left, huh?
Matrix.
Cut him off at the river.